Hello and welcome to the Path to Transplant's Donor Seeker program. My name is Risa Simon and I'm the founder of the Transplant First Academy. Yet today I stand before you as a fellow kidney patient. A fellow kidney patient who received a preemptive kidney transplant from a big-hearted living kidney donor. I'm going to be your tour guide throughout this program, so pull up a chair and let's start the conversation. The conversation about how you can attract potential living kidney donors and secure your best life possible. I'm going to share that success formula with you right now, and I want you to buckle up as we're going to take a magic carpet ride as I reveal the 9 proactive steps from my success formula that other people are using as well to help you find potential living kidney donors. Okay, so you ready? Let's push that reset button and begin. Step is to share your story and sprinkle your story on everyone that crosses your path. You're going to educate and inform family and friends. And as you ask individuals to join in on understanding your need and what it is that you do need, you want to invite them to be part of your team. So you invite individuals to be part of your team. You're going to enlist individuals, not just your family and friends, and you're going to enlist and mobilize these individuals. And you can have an army of advocates join your team. You might say, well, I got friends and family, but who else? Well, your boss, co-workers, neighbors, your local community, place of worship, class reunions, the list goes on all the way to long lost pals. You want to be able to disseminate information that will allow people to not only learn more, but re-engage with you. You want to invite them to contact you or your transplant center. So one great way to do this is to have a story outreach card. Now you can see the front of the card is very much like a business card, but it's your personal story outreach card. Has your picture, has information, your contact information about you, and also contact information as to how somebody can contact your transplant center, particularly the call-in desk for potential living kidney donors, interested folks that want to learn more. And on the back of the card, it's just a quick snapshot. Story outreach letters. We certainly don't want you to have to reinvent the wheel, so we have those templates, but let me peel back some of the layers on what should be in your story. Step 7, you need to script out your story and practice it. That's right, you want to role play it. Try friends and family for starters. That might be the best. Your closest friends and family members to sit down after you've scripted your story and role play it. And I'm not asking you to memorize your story because that won't come off very well. I just want you to script it out so you know how you want to succinctly share your story. The final step is to mentor up. That's right, we're going to ignite our donor magnet superpowers. As a donor seeker, you can ignite your donor magnet superpowers by mentoring up, by following steps 1 through 8 and mentoring up. And what you're doing is seeking wisdom from people that have already received a transplant. That's what I did. I followed these 9 steps. You know, as Elmer Letterman once said, that luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. This is not about me being luckier than you or others being luckier than me. This is about us being prepared. And our biggest threat is inertia. Our biggest threat is sleepwalking our way to dialysis, not doing anything until we get sick enough to do something, and that's really when you feel like you got a lot of energy to work this plan, right? Of course not. So we need to have the plan, work the plan, and be all in. That's what this is all about. You've got to give it your all. You know, roll up your sleeves, throw your heart into the game. And while I don't know your story, and I can't guarantee your outcome, I know that if you follow these 9 proactive steps and embrace these steps as part of your game plan, an unwavering game plan to secure a transplant from a living kidney donor, to end your wait or end your need for continuing on dialysis. Dialysis will not stand a chance if you engage. After viewing this program, you have the power to make a choice, and that choice is to do something to impact your future. You have the power that previous generations could barely dream of. And be all in. That's what I did. That's how I'm living my best life ever. And this is what I hope for you. You've got this.